Fans are getting more and more excited about the Galaxy S26, which hints at a future that will be sleeker and lighter. The most recent leak from Ice Universe makes this group seem more real than ever. He told everyone the exact weights of all three types, and the numbers are making people talk all over the place. The simple Galaxy S26 weighs 164 grams. The Galaxy S26 Ultra weighs 214 grams, and the Galaxy S26 Plus weighs 191 grams. These figures show a polished design that strikes a balance between style and substance, maintaining high build quality without appearing too bulky. The news about Ice Universe is like one of those rare leaks where everything just fits. When you look at the Galaxy S26 lineup next to the iPhone 17 series, it's easy to see how Samsung is designing their phones. They are lighter and thinner, but they have bigger batteries and better photos. The iPhone 17 weighs 177 grams and is 7.95 millimeters thick, while the standard Galaxy S26 weighs 164 grams and is 6.9 millimeters thick. The Galaxy S26 Plus comes in at 191 grams and 7.3 millimeters, while the iPhone 17 Pro weighs 204 grams and is 8.75 millimeters thick. At the top, the Galaxy S26 Ultra weighs 214 grams and is 7.9 millimeters thick. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, on the other hand, weighs 231 grams and has a frame that is much thicker. Based on Ice Universe's research, it's clear that Samsung is keeping things simple, while Apple's hardware choices make things heavier. People are getting more and more excited about Samsung's next-generation monster, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Ice Universe says that all of the S26 models will have LPDDR5X RAM that runs at an amazing 10.7 GB per second. This means that Samsung is trying to make speed even better than the S25 series, which could only handle 9.6 GB per second at its fastest. As usual, all models in the Galaxy S26 series will have 12 GB of RAM. However, transfer speeds will be 10% faster, making everything feel better and faster. Ice Universe says that Samsung will likely run the whole S26 lineup with its own chips, which will ensure the best performance and consistency.